HubKoin Exchange Tutorials, How to Log In. To access HubKoin 2.0 for the first time, you will need to update your password. To begin this process, go to hubcoin.io and click Sign In on the top right-hand corner. You will be redirected to trade.hubcoin.io and you should see the login screen. Under the Login button, click Problem Logging In. You will be redirected to the Problem Logging In screen. If you are an existing user of HubKoin and you are trying to log into HubKoin 2.0 for the first time, you will need to reset your password. To do this, select I am an existing user and I forgot my password. Next, enter in your HubKoin username or the email address associated with your account. Select Send Email. You should receive an email from HubKoin at the associated email address. This email will contain a link you can click on, and the link will redirect you to where you can reset your password. Once redirected, you will be able to reset your password. You will need to enter the password twice, once in the New Password field and then in the Repeat New Password field. Both passwords must match exactly. When your passwords are entered, select Reset Password. You should see a pop-up on your screen informing you that your password has been reset. Now, select Go to Exchange to log into your HubKoin account. You will once again be redirected to trade.hubcoin.io and you should see the login screen. Now, enter your username/email address and password and click Login. When you log in, you will be directed to your dashboard. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the login process. Thank you for watching and welcome to HubKoin 2.0.